everybody, Melissa here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you're all here. So today we're going to be in Google Sheets and we're going to look at the convert function. Now what this allows us to do is very quickly and easily convert from one measurement to another. So if we're looking at weight, we can go from pounds to ounces. If we're looking at temperature, we can go from Celsius to Kelvin. If we are looking at distance, we can go from miles to kilometers, or my favorite, and if you're a science buff, you'll totally get this, we can go from light years to Earth miles, which is very important to me. Or it works with any other type of measurement you can think of. I cannot wait to show you how this works, so let's go ahead and get started. Now let's start with weight and say we want to convert grams to ounces. If we go here to this cell and do Insert, Function, it's going to be under Parser, Convert. This box pops up and it has a lot of information in it, but I'm going to make it super easy for you to know what goes where. Basically, it's what value are we converting, in this case it's 100 grams, from what unit of measurement, G for grams, to what unit of measurement, and in this case it's OZM for ounces. Now if you notice down here, the G and the OZM has to be in quotes for the function to work. So let's go ahead and click on the 100, comma, we're going to put it in quotes a G, comma, and then put in quotes OZM, and it's roughly 3.53 ounces. Now I've got this with a lot of decimal places. You can do it however you want. You can round it up, you can have 3 decimal places, or whatever it is that you want to do. Let's go ahead and look at pounds. Now instead of going in every time and doing insert, function, parser, we can actually type equals convert, open our parentheses, and we're going to do the same thing. 300, comma, we're going from ounces or OZM, comma, to pounds, LBM. Hit enter, and it's 18.75. Now another thing we can do is let's copy this cell, Control V. Now that looks like it may be right, but let's double click on it. If you look, it changed our value, but it's still got the 275 going from ounces to pounds. So we can go in here and change this to meters or an M, and change this one to MI for miles, enter, and it's roughly 0.171 miles. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these out. Aren't you glad I didn't make you sit through all of that? So there's a couple things that I want to point out is when you're doing nautical miles to miles, if you look, the N is capital. If you do not capitalize that N, then it's not going to work in the function. And there you have it, the convert function in Google Sheets. Just keep in mind that some of your abbreviations are case sensitive within your function argument. Like the N in nautical miles has to be capitalized. Celsius, your C has to be capitalized. The same thing for Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And then if you're looking for cups, you have to spell out the entire word cup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel before you go. And if you have any questions, feedback, or ideas for future content, then drop me a comment, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, thanks so much for watching.